This is a 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. This vehicle has seating for 5 adults and a 5.3-liter V8. All of the following features are included: a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, active fuel management, trailer wiring, fog lamps, tinted glass, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 19,000 miles. This Chevrolet has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Vandergriff Chevrolet, the Metroplex's volume leader, is located at 1200 Interstate 20 West, Arlington, Texas, just across from the Parks Mall in South Arlington.